how to fix the low coolant light in your Cadillac Fleetwood, Impala SS, Buick Roadmaster, and similar vehicles with the LT1 engine. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I was driving the Fleetwood, and in the gauge cluster I saw the light for low coolant. So once I got home, I popped the hood and I went to go check. And I opened the coolant reservoir, and sure enough, the coolant was low. So the light was right to come on. So I just got some coolant and topped it off to the proper fill line. And then once I got in the car, I started it and the light was still on. I figured I'd drive it around a bit, and even after driving it around for a while, the light would not go off. So I went ahead and went on the internet to see if there was anything else I could do. I figured what I might end up having to do is remove the sensor and clean it, or possibly just get a new one. But I said, let me check on the internet first before I do that. And I came across a post, and I'll put that post up on the screen. And the post said, smack it hard with the side of your fist rapidly. The coolant reservoir. The sensor sticks. Ultra common. So I'm thinking I don't have anything to lose. I'll give it a try. So I came out here and I gave the reservoir a couple slaps on the top, couple slaps on the side. And then I went back into the car, started it, and the light went off. So apparently this sensor sticks, and a couple firm taps to the reservoir will loosen it and free it and get it working properly. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.